Hi guys, happy family day. So for today's video, nagla-live po tayo ng dahon ng saging para sa budol fight for today. So we have a booking for budol fight. At ayan, nililinis ko na para at least malinis ang paglalagyan ng foods ng magpubudol fight. Bali, 1 o'clock yung booking. So dumating na sila and habang magse-set up pa lang kami at eto na sila. Akin na po, ipipicturean ko kayo. So after guys, so na-delete ko pala guys yung ibang mga video clips. So ayan na lang, pictures na lang. So I am not aware kasi hindi ko agad siya na-upload and na voice over. So ayan, sayang naman, kaya ito na lang. Bye, thank you for watching.